Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to cut celery in different ways, and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a piece of celery and I have a knife, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can cut your celery. Really easy to do for the most part. Now before I start this, I do want to say this, and it goes without being said, but I'll say it anyways. We are obviously using a knife, okay, to cut something like this. So you gotta be sure that you're being as safe as you can possibly be. You want to have safety at the front of your mind, and you want to just literally be as safe as possible. So make sure you are being as safe as you can possibly be whenever you're doing something like this, just because we are indeed using a knife. So with safety at the front of our minds, this is basically what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to get rid of the part of the celery that, just like on either end, it's already been washed, but basically I'm going to get rid of this part right here. We're going to just put that to the side, and then this part over here as well, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side. Some people, I don't know who leaves it on, but I always get rid of those parts, just like that. I'm just going to get rid of this little piece over here. So basically, here are the different cuts of celery that you can make, the different ways you can cut celery. The first one, and I'll try and keep my hand out of the camera frame so you can sort of see exactly what I'm doing. The first one is just going to be a straight cut across, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go down, and you can obviously, I would probably turn the celery this way. The knife seems to cut through it more easily like this, but it's more stable like this. So you have to figure what works for you, but I'll do it this way for this video so you can get a better idea. So as you can see, I'm just going straight down just like that, okay? And what that's going to do is that's going to produce cuts that are exactly like this, okay? So that's one way, just straight down, just like literally straight across. The next way that you can do it is on an angle. So you can actually take you can do this a couple ways. So I'll show you. The first way is when you want to make almost like a triangular shape or like a wedge shape. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it on an angle, just like that. And what we've created is an interesting shape over here, as you can see, okay? And then I can go the other angle. So now I'm going to create a triangle the other way. So we're going back and forth. We're going this way over here, and then we're going the other way over here. Okay, so what we've done is we've now created these triangular shapes. That's another option. That works as well. Okay, the other way that you can cut on an angle is just the same angle over and over. So the first one we're going to create is going to be a triangle shape because we're starting the angle. And then I'm just going to use that same angle over and over. So right now, I'm going straight down on that same angle over and over. And what that creates is just a little variation of the straight that we had over there. Very simple, okay? Now the last ones are going to be where you basically are going to be creating slices, but then you're going to be cutting them to be smaller. So I'm just going to get a nice straight cut over here. So we're going to create this first one over here. And as you can see, I have that slice which is straight down, and I'm going to cut it in half. So now I'm going to cut it in half, and we now have, about half the size of one of the slices that we created before. Just cutting a straight slice like this, and then we just simply cut it in half, just like that. Creates these pieces like this, which are, I'd say, like a medium size. And the other option is going to be cutting it even smaller. So we're going to do a straight slice, but instead of half, we can cut it even smaller. So I'm just going to do maybe in quarters of this, I would say. Yeah, this is even fifths. One of them is really small, but you get the idea. We're going to cut it straight down, and you're going to cut it into, quarters, fifths, depending on the size of it. You see what you can do. Once again, I'm just making sure I'm on camera. Straight down, and then we're just going to take this. We're going to cut it into smaller pieces. Even thirds works as well. That works as well. But what we're left with is some smaller pieces like this, which are really quite small. And that's basically it. Those are the different ways to cut celery. There are even more than that, but that's just like the easiest, quickest sort of way that I could show you a few different methods for cutting celery, and it's literally that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you other than I hope you've enjoyed the content, and with nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.